stroke of paint, every tile set culminates into the making of special family moments. Nirvana Villas is transitioning from vision to reality. Hello, Engineer Ahmed. I'm on your site again.
Good afternoon. You are welcome.
Thank you. I see a lot of progress. I saw the aluminium windows. Tell us, what's been happening?
Yeah. Actually, I've started some new activities like aluminum windows, and on the same time, we are working on the most of the finishing items like the plasterboard, the floor ceramic. We are working in the marble coping. We are working also in the wiring work. For the external, we are working also in the internal and external fence, and we are going to start now the external network.
Okay. I haven't asked about my pool in a long time. What's been happening on that side?
Actually, we are doing the screeding and the plastering for the pools, and some pools we are doing the waterproofing.
Okay. So, what should we expect in the next month?
Next month, we are planning to make more progress on these activities that I mentioned. And we will, you'll see some new activities like external paint and more progress in the aluminium and all of them.
Okay, thank you very much for having us. We'll meet again next month.
Okay.
These are just villas. These are spaces where families will celebrate milestones, where laughter will fill the rooms, and where memories will last for generations. Nirvana Villas is the future of modern family living. To stay informed, stay connected, follow us on all our social media platforms.